Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of I wire a bunch of crap on this thing and Mandie drinks stuff.
Yeah.
We're drinking champagne because, I don't know, we're feeling bougie or something, but yeah, we're gonna do stuff. Let's do it.
I concede and I've decided I'm never gonna learn how to wire anything. So, yeah.
She says that, but I'm gonna teach her eventually how to actually wire shit, so.
I feel like it would make sense to do it on my own car though, but you're like, no, I want to do it.
No, I'm pretty sure you just asked me to do it because you didn't want to learn by doing it on your own car.
Yeah, I don't want my car to work. I don't want it to be broken. If I wire it, it's gonna be broken. I'm broken inside.
Anyway, we're gonna get to work.
Okay, we did some stuff without filming it because, let's be real, this isn't like the world's most exciting stuff, but we're doing it, so y'all get to watch it. So this is I forgot what it's called now. Fuse holder?
Yeah.
Fuse holder. See it? It's beautiful. It's from AutoZone. So we're wiring these large butt connectors, which will, it's for the constant power for the MSD and the fan relay business. This is my fan. Here it is.
It's your biggest fan. It's your only fan.
Oh boy. I'm gonna show it my boobies.
Yes.
Oh, I don't know how I feel about that. So once we wire this business in here, then things will have constant power and they will work.
I did wiring things. I actually just realized I never attached these wires to that.
That's fine.
Anyway, I've been slowly hijacking a bunch of the factory wiring to power stuff in this so that it actually works correctly with the key and I don't have to disconnect the battery to shut it off. So I've been tidying up this stuff over here instead of this mess of wires that it was before, making it look better, making it work. It's boring stuff, that's why I haven't really been filming any of it. But
I'm bored too.
yeah, she's mostly just been sitting there watching me wire, which I'm sure is not very exciting, but yeah, I'm gonna call it a night and get back to this tomorrow. So, while Mandie's been hard at work decorating over there, I've been out here trying to figure out which of these wires goes to which gauges so that I can extend them and hook them all up. Found these guys here. Hold on, I need to turn the key on. Where's the key? There it is. So, if I ground this guy, you can see the water temp gauge goes all wonky. And this wire right here is for the oil pressure gauge. So, I need to, I can't talk. I need to extend those two wires, hook them up, as well as our starter solenoid wire. And then that should be the bulk of our wiring, except for the wideband, but we'll get to that later. Another small update. I was able to utilize this factory grommet here in order to pop that harness out, run it along under the fender, all the way up to this other hole that I managed to find up here that I put a grommet in. And I got the harness coming all the way out here, so now I just need to run these wires to their respective sensors. And I think that's all the wiring that's really left on the engine side of things, which is exciting.
Yay!
Finally.
I sound excited. Yay!
The most excited. Yeah, I'm sick of wiring. I want to be done with this, and I'm going to be done soon, hopefully. Update again, I haven't really done a whole lot. I've mostly just started kind of rewrapping a lot of the OEM wiring and some of the stuff I've added on just to make it look better. Trying to pretty up this engine bay as much as I can. I can't actually do a whole lot with this right now because I realize I actually need to pick up some more wire to finish this up. So yeah, I apologize. This video, I haven't really done a whole lot again. I feel like I've been apologizing at the end of every video for not doing a whole lot, but I promise I'll start trying harder from now on. It's just been kind of difficult with the holidays and everything. Got so much going on that I just haven't had time to really get to work, especially on that thing. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, guys.